Zoho Project's Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Zoho Project's Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll dive deep into the features of Zoho Projects, what makes it a top choice for project management, and how you can benefit from their affiliate program. Don't forget to check the description for direct links to products and additional information. Zoho Projects is an all-in-one project management platform designed for teams of all sizes. It's perfect for businesses looking to streamline their project planning, task management, and collaboration efforts. With features like task tracking, Gantt charts, time tracking, and custom workflows, Zoho Projects offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface to help teams manage projects from start to finish. It's especially great for remote teams, marketers, and small to medium-sized businesses that need effective project tracking at an affordable price. Now, let's talk about the Zoho Projects Affiliate Program. This program allows you to promote a powerful, trusted platform and earn commissions for every sale you generate. Zoho's affiliate program offers competitive commission rates, making it an attractive option for anyone looking to monetize their website or social media channels. With a high conversion rate and access to well-designed marketing materials, affiliates can easily share Zoho projects with their audience and start earning commissions in no time. One of the most appealing aspects of the Zoho Projects affiliate program is its long cookie duration. When you refer a user, they have up to 60 days to make a purchase before your commission expires, which is a great advantage in the affiliate world. Additionally, Zoho provides affiliates with detailed tracking so you can monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. Zoho Projects also offers a free trial, which is a great tool for affiliates to get their audience to try out the platform with no commitment upfront. Once users see the power of the software, the likelihood of converting to a paid plan increases, benefiting both you and the customer. In conclusion, the Zoho Projects affiliate program is a solid choice for anyone in the SaaS, productivity, or business management niche. With great commissions, a long cookie duration, and a reliable platform that's trusted by thousands of teams worldwide, it's a win-win. If you're interested, check out the links in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy promoting.